All right, so we smoothed it straight. We curled it under. Now, if you want to add more of a wave, what you're going to do is about a 1 inch section, 1 inch by 2 inch maybe. But we're going to go right down the root at the top. I like to hold it here. It just makes it easy. I keep the perfector vertical all the time. And I spin a full circle so the hair's all the way around it. I let it sit for like 5 seconds. And each time I spin, it's like I say curling a ribbon because you really want to give it time. And as you can see, as I pull out, then I have that beautiful wave.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to give that a try?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you want that tail to hang down. Perfect. There you go. And just keep it vertical. I'm going to tweak you a little bit because it'll makes it easier to come down and spin. Just full spin. You got it. You can come on out. You grabbed some of the other hair, but that's okay. You still got your wave.
Yay!